Today, we're diving into a full review of AI Scale Stack. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest
to generate $94,113 in just 11 weeks, while building it live, from scratch, in front of a small test group. With just 5 minutes a day of simple daily management, you can grow your email list consistently using automated tools, no ads, no products, and no high-pressure sales. Tap into the potential to generate recurring revenue directly from your list, with strategies that don't require cold selling. Build consistent momentum without complex tech, burnout, or info overload. We've done all the heavy lifting, building this proven, plug-and-play, AI-powered system. We created custom AI bots to make our process even faster. And now we're giving them to you. Even a complete beginner can easily deploy this today. No tech skills, no writing required, and no waiting weeks for results. We designed AI Scale Stack specifically to remove stress, eliminate guesswork, and help you grow your audience easily. Giving real people the power to build real, predictable income, without sacrificing their valuable time. No more exhausting 12-hour days. No more wondering what should I do next. No more endlessly trading your time for uncertain income. Grow their businesses effortlessly with just a few minutes of focused action per day. Quick reality check. Did you know the average solo entrepreneur earns less than $5,000 per month, while working even more hours than they did at a regular job? Even worse, they're still stuck trying to figure things out. That's not freedom. That's a full-time hustle disguised as a business. Because we believe your small business should be profitable, sustainable, and designed to fully support your life, not consume it. You don't need another course. You need something that finally clicks. Look, you've probably bought countless playbooks, PDFs, formulas. You've attended endless webinars, chased after countless gurus, hoping each new strategy would finally be the one to deliver real results. But every time, what did you actually get? Another half-built funnel that never launched. A graveyard of logins for tools you'll never use again. More tactics, more overwhelm, and zero momentum. That sinking feeling of, maybe it's me. Let's be crystal clear. You're not the problem. The plan was. You've been handed scattered strategies, incomplete tactics, and zero context. Nothing ever added up to a predictable, profitable system that actually grows itself. Until now. AI Scale Stack is the missing piece that finally makes everything click. It's a clear, powerful business growth accelerator, using proven AI-driven methods specifically streamlined to eliminate all guesswork and wasted effort. When you plug into AI Scale Stack, you won't spend months lost in technical complexity, figuring out AI alone. Waste thousands of dollars on expensive tools you don't actually need. Feel overwhelmed by the endless possibilities of AI. Instead, you will rapidly deploy proven AI-driven strategies from day one. Clearly understand your growth plan and profit path immediately. Effortlessly automate repetitive tasks, writing, planning, lead generation. Predictably scale your income month after month, without guessing. Your purchase is backed by our unconditional money-back guarantee. Look, we understand that even $17.97 is money you've worked hard for, and you deserve peace of mind. So, here's the deal. Access the course, explore the custom AI bots, implement what you learn, and if you're not absolutely thrilled within the first 3 days, just email us directly at support@lifethriver.com. We'll refund you your $17.97, no questions asked, and let you keep access to the 4 bots free of charge. We think that's more than fair. Get instant access for $97, just $17.97. Delivered instantly. Start watching in the next 2 minutes. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.